Hey there, shooter! Today on Shooting Science, we are going to be installing the C&H Precision Speed Feed Pro brass frame plug. This is a simple, low-cost upgrade that you can buy to balance out your polymer-framed Glock and make it shoot flatter with less felt recoil. Let's get into it. All right, so let's install the C&H Precision brass speed feed plug for Glock. Okay, so this is a G45. Let's go ahead and open the bag. The function of this is two-part. One is to provide a surface that complements this built-in mag well that's on the Gen 5 pistols and also the G45. See that built-in mag well there? It's going to give me a ramp that complements that, but it's also going to put weight in the heel of the grip here, which is going to balance out the gun and hopefully make it shoot flatter too. I haven't shot this gun yet. This is the rebuilt G45, factory rebuilt G45 from my last video, but I'm not playing around. I did a brass backstrap on my Walther PDP and made it shoot so much better that I'm just going to go straight away and do it on this one. So this is what the C&H Precision brass speed feed looks like. This is a pretty cool machine surface. It's not bumpy at all. It's perfectly flat. And then there's the ramp that's going to give me the speed feed effect. All right, so basically all you do is you drop it in here. Super easy. And then there's a hole in the back with a screw. I think you have to jam it in there a little bit more. Yeah, you do have to push it in the little final bit there for it to fit flush. Wow, it's a really good fit. Look at that. Really good fit. And then you just put the screw in. Okay, so these are hex key screws or Allen wrench screws. So let me figure out here what kind of size I need. So this is a 3/32 Allen wrench bit that I just got off of Amazon in a set, and this is the size you need for these screws. There we go. It has a little bit of Loctite on there. Let's go ahead and put a little bit more on there. On the other side. Just a dab. That'll do it. Just going to screw it in like so. There you go. That definitely feels way better already. The gun just, instead of wanting to drop forward with the weight of the slide, it just wants to sit like that, which is perfect. I can't really show you that on camera, but if you had this in your hand and you feel it, instead of the gun wanting to tilt forward now, it wants to balance out, which is perfect. All right, I'm excited to go shoot that on the range. Let me know if you have one of these in your Glock and how it's changed your shooting experience for you. And then with the mag inserted, this is what it's going to look like. All right, let's see what it feels like with a loaded magazine. Oh yeah, now it's heavy down here, just as heavy as it is up here for sure. And the gun wants to sit like this. It does not want to tip forward anymore. Very nice. This is going to make for a much flatter shooting gun, I can tell. And finally, I'm going to go ahead and install the medium backstrap over this, because you can't install this with the backstrap on because the backstrap covers some of it. I just want to make sure the backstrap fits now that this is on here. So first thing is that we got to knock this little pin out again. All right, and then we got to get the long pin ready. Gonna find my medium backstrap here. That one. All right, let's make sure this fits. It didn't click in like it used to, but I think it'll still work. Let's see if we can get the pin in. I have to hold it like that. There we go. And there it goes. And then that's what it looks like with the medium backstrap, the speed feed ramp, and a magazine inserted. Pretty slick. All right, I tried to show you every possible combination of Glock things, OEM Glock things anyway, that go on back here using the C&H Precision feed ramp. There's a nice feel to it now. All right, I hope that was informative for you. If you liked the video, please give me a like, hopefully a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.